Observing how we grasp and handle objects is highly correlated with geometric shapes and interactions. We propose the use of hand postures and actions as an indirect source of input for object activity identification. Based on that hypothesis, we developed OSense. A wearable device consists of 6 9-degree of freedom IMUs. Using a neural network model, we trained our system to recognize 9 postures and 10 activities. By an empirical study, we showed that the accuracy of the object activity recognition can be significantly improved using posture. We further developed few application concepts to show the potential of OSense. LifeLogger. Just-in-time applications.
There's a high probability of raining today. Remember to take an umbrella. You have to buy bread and butter on the way home.
Scaffolder.
Now mix chopped onion with egg.
For more details, please refer our paper.